Hello and welcome to the Dixie Belle YouTube channel. My name is Melissa and today's makeover is going to feature a brand new product. I always begin every project by cleaning with white lightning and rinsing with water. This cute little thrifted box was only $15 at my local Goodwill. Let's paint it pretty with a brand new color called Magnolia. Since this tiny box is actually not real wood, we are going to add an extra step in our prep. This is going to require bonding boss in 2 even coats. I like to apply my white bonding boss with a roller. This way I can dispose of the roller in the garbage when I'm finished. For the base of the project, I'll use a small brush to get in all the nooks and crannies. Don't forget you need to wait 24 hours after you've finished applying your bonding boss before you begin to paint. Bonding Boss has 2 key elements, a gripping primer as well as a stain blocking primer. So this is a 2-in-1 primer that is going to protect your piece and get it ready for whatever paint you choose from the Dixie Belle paint lines. Woodubend moldings to the legs on this piece. These cute little bows arrive rigid and hard and in a set of 2. To apply your Woodubend moldings, you're going to use a heat gun and heat up the back of the molding. Once you've warmed it up, it becomes bendable and malleable. Then you just simply add your glue onto the back of the molding and stick it on your piece. I use some tape to help me secure it around the corners of this edge. This way, when my little Woodubend molding is dry and hard, it's not warm anymore, it will fit perfectly to this piece. I will heat it up one more time once I get it onto my project. Here is that brand new color I told you about. So cute. This is Magnolia Chalk Mineral Paint from Dixie Belle. This color is soft and neutral. It's very creamy and I'm going to paint right over top of those Woodubend moldings. When I apply my chalk mineral paint, I like to use a smooth synthetic brush. This smooth synthetic brush can be dampened a little bit to thin out your paint moving in and around all of those little details on your Woodubend molding, and it also helps keep your paint nice and smooth. For this project, I used 2 even coats of Magnolia on this piece. Don't forget to get up and under the little edges of your tiny jewelry box, as well as sand in between coats if you feel necessary and you want your paint to have a smoother finish. There are a couple of options that you have for sealing your work. You can use Dixie Belle's Satin Clear Coat, Flat Clear Coat, or even Dixie Belle's Gator Hide. I like to use wax on majority of my projects. For this one, I use Satin Clear Coat. I added in that hardware that was on the front drawers and then added 2 more to the doors and the sides of this piece. What do you think of this beautiful makeover? So soft and so pretty.